Hi everyone, this is your girl, Chef Afusa. In today's episode, we are going to teach ourselves how to cook perfect coconut rice.
Very weird.
I know you guys have been waiting for me to come and teach you how to cook new food method. May una no vex. It's because of something that we are preparing. That's why your chef is very busy. But right now, I'm going to teach you how to cook perfect coconut rice. Let's get back to the business. So, as you all know, this is our ingredients. This is our coconut, agbon. This is our knife, obe. This is our onions. This is our butter. We have our salt and seasoning, maggi àti iyọ̀. And we also have our rice, ata, everything. Pepper is inside it because of no space to put the pepper. That's why I put it inside. So let's get it done properly. You know, we are using gas. So right now, let's go and get our pot. I think this wants to be okay for today. So, as you all know in my kitchen, I love neatness. So let's go and rinse our pot.
No problem. God will see us.
Can you see we have water today? I went to call water compressor. So, right now, we now sieve this one like this. So we have space to experiment our experiment. So you open it, maybe you put it inside plastic or anywhere. It's open, it's open. Remove your pepper first, so there will not be mixed up inside it. So now pour your rice. As you can see, this our rice. I think this one is okay for like 7 people. Keep this one for Afusa purpose. Let's get there. Then we will now on our gas. Then we will now put our rice on the fire. Make sure your gas is low so it will not burn quickly. So you can use your hand to mix it.
Continue.
When you have used your hand to mix inside the pot, you will now pour the water. You pour it inside. You still use your hand to mix it. So you now use your hand, still use your hand to turn it, you stir it. So we'll get another water and pour inside.
Rono.
Shine. So we will now add another water to make it so elaborate, like 7 people or more. You know, you can be cooking and some people will just enter. So like plenty people will be able to eat it. So we're going to add another water. Join.
What is that? Charlie boy is our mumu don't too much. Charlie boy, now your mumu not too much. You be mumu. You think say they wise?
Hey, I think by now we are okay with the water that we have. So right now we are going to put all our ingredients in the rice. First of all, we'll take our onions.
Okay.
We will now slice it inside. So you will now slide it.
Why? Are you mad or something?
The back of the onions has its own usefulness. Everything that God creates is very okay. So we're going to put our salt, but make sure you put small salt, like this now.
Jesus!
You see it?
Jesus!
You know what I need to tell you?
Pour the salt inside. So right now we are going to put our seasoning, maggi. Remember, we are cooking coconut rice. In this process, 1 seed of maggi is okay for our coconut rice, so it will not be too tasteful.
Chai!
Koneti doju.
Chai! There is God.
So you now remove it, then pour it. This coconut rice is
So, not be juju be that. There's no 2 ways about it.
So what else? So we are going to put our rodo pepper. So you know all these oyibo people, they don't like plenty pepper, so that is why we are using small pepper for our coconut rice. You slide it, slide it, slide it. Now that we have put our pepper, as you can see, our coconut rice is coming out very okay. It's coming out very okay. So in some coconut rice, some people prefer to put butter, but in this rice we are not going to put butter because it's coming out very okay already. So we are just going to put groundnut oil or any oil.
We must learn a lesson.
So right now we will now put our groundnut oil. That is okay like that. That one is okay to make our rice come out very okay. So right now we will now close our rice to make it steaming together. And you can now close it for like about 2 days. Jesus! I'm joking. Don't take my word serious. You can now close it, then open it back. Our rice is done. It's very okay. So right now we are going to take our hase. Since our rice is done, then we will now say our coconut rice is finished. You guys cannot miss this rice. This rice is one in town. We'll now say so right now, as you can see, our rice is coming out very okay. So right now it's time to serve our rice. So don't forget to wash your plate, rinse it very well. So you will now take your rice. Hope you guys can see what I'm doing. So you will now pour your rice. We have served our food. It's like you guys are forgetting something. I told you that we are going to teach ourselves how to cook perfect coconut rice. So where's our coconut? Alakogbagbe niyin. You couldn't forget something. This is our coconut. Tada! So right now, let's go and wash our coconut. Now we'll rinse it very well. You can use soap and you can decide not to use anything. But you know, in my kitchen, I love neatness. That's why I use soap to wash my coconut. It's very clean. So this is our rice and this is our coconut. So together like this, we have our coconut rice. So for Afusa's sake, may it not be like say I cook something I did not taste it.
Yes.
Now they always taste anything that I cook in my kitchen.
The earlier every one of you realizes, the
It's
better
very okay. It's very okay. So I think you guys have learned 1 or 2 things in this coconut rice. See you guys next week. Bye bye.
May God not allow them, make them kill you.